Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative to avoid shorts, then clear around the compressor so you can work. Once done, use the vehicle's belt routing diagram or take a photo. This saves time rerouting. Use a 1/2 drive to loosen the belt tensioner. You want to release tension, not remove fasteners yet. Make sure to support the engine if required for access. The why is simple. Visibility and correct routing prevent damage to pulleys and the new belt. You rotate the tensioner fully to relieve tension and carefully slip the belt off the smallest pulley first. This avoids pinching fingers. Once removed, inspect every pulley for lateral play, rough bearings, or glazing. These failure points ruin a new belt quickly. Measure the belt width and groove count against the replacement part and compare part numbers. If an idler or tensioner shows wear, replace it now so you don't repeat the job. That's why inspection is essential. You route the new belt following the diagram, leaving the tensioner pulley for last, and then slowly release the tensioner so the belt seats into every groove evenly. Once fitted, reconnect the battery and start the engine briefly while watching belt tracking. Listen for squeal and watch pulleys for wobble. If you hear chirps, recheck alignment and tension. One key troubleshooting tip: if squeal persists, verify pulley bearings. A failing idler or compressor pulley often causes noise even with a new belt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.